Vocabulary. These phrases are very important because these stories are made with them. So listen to this vocabulary several times and you will understand the next 3 lessons, even if you are a beginner. Okay, let's get start. Where is my newspaper? Telephone number. Clean your office. A good student. Give me some sugar. I going to the airport. Answer me. Sleep on your bed. Her cousin is weird. This is Bob. Is this Patrick? Yes, it is. Is this Homer? No, it's not. Is it Bart? No, it's not. Who is it? It's Sheldon. December it's coming. A pink dress. Easier English. Who's this? It's Larry. Is he a man or a woman? He's a man. And he is furious. Here you go. Crazy horse. Is this Sandy? What nationality is she? They're chickens. Yeah, I'll tell you something. Hey Jude. It's wonderful. Study now. Thank you. Review the vocabulary. Talk about English. Use this method. Repeat this lesson.